Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you have a shredding service and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services, you've definitely come to the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MightySites platform to build a simple website for your shredding service. If you haven't heard of MightySites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to sign up for that free trial. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from. We are adding more markets every single week as well for various small businesses. Let's head to the top and search for our market, shredding service. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Excellent. Let's tell MightySites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name and your city and your state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the MightySites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. MightySites has now generated a simple website in a couple seconds with the information you've just popped in. It will automatically bring up this pop-up as well, showing you how to customize your own website in under 30 seconds. For today, I'm going to be closing that off because I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do it. The beauty of MightySites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. As you can see, they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images. Maybe you want to upload them. Maybe you want to make 1 or 2 amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all these services. To do that, you don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional in any kind of way. You certainly don't need to hire a professional to help you with it either. You can literally do it all yourself. It's that simple. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and make my way to the first section at the top and click on update section. Over here, I can pop in my email address and I want to make sure that that's visible for my customers to see. So let's go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Phone number is click to call. And physical location, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Under update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. The icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. So your customers can easily click on it and give you a follow on social media, get some engagement going. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section and upload it over here. You can make slight amendments to it by cropping it, rotating it. Whoops, we had a bit of a problem there. And adding filters or frames. There we go. Awesome. Filters or frames by clicking that little pencil. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Awesome. Now, if you'd like to change the colors used throughout your website, you don't need to know color coding at all. Click on the paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palette options available for you to use. For each section you'd like to make a little bit more personalized to your business, all you need to do is click on the update section button. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through the thousands of free high quality images in the photo library. You also have the option to now connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those photos. Under update actions, where we have those call to action buttons, the text on them, and then where they link to, you can even link to a PDF file if you wish to. And the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads coming through in your Mighty dashboard. If you have a custom domain for your business, all you need to do is click on this yellow button at the bottom saying connect your domain to set it up. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get one for your business to make it more even professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well, because you actually have the option to purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. I really hope that short tutorial is helpful in building a simple website for your shredding service on the MightySites platform. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.